Hello, hello. So today I wanted to show you the best travel bag that exists. So first, here's the bag. It has a shoe compartment right here that unzips, and then it has a front Velcro pocket, two side pockets, one on each side, and then in the back, it has a luggage strap, so it'll attach to a carry-on, as well as another safety pocket for things like important documentation, etc. Super great. So then on the inside, it comes with a perfect toiletries bag. So this hangs and then it opens up, both waterproof. This one is clear plastic and this one is waterproof, and then another zipper mesh for your smaller items with single pockets here for either smaller items, makeup brushes, etc. This, game changer. Love that it hangs, love that it matches. So then the inside of the bag, you have 3 pen pockets, you have 2 mesh pockets on the sides, and then the one on this side actually zips, so it holds a bunch. Then you have a waterproof pocket on the inside, and overall this thing just holds so much. Top it off, not only can you carry it like this with the buttons, but there are rings on the side, so it comes with a padded shoulder strap. Each of these clips each side so that you can carry it crossbody or over your shoulder if you want. If you pack it, this can be your carry-on or it could be your personal item if you pack it small enough, and overall fantastic. Not to mention it also has little vents for your shoes so that your shoes don't smell. So 10 out of 10, best travel bag ever.